What's up, guys? Guys, let's quickly make this juice because all these fruits are dirty splits, so I just have to do them away. Use them to make juice before they will finally get to their head. I was able to achieve this one, guys, from that pera. The name of the fruit is pera. This is what I was able to extract from it. Well, it is fine because a lot of them get spoiled. I never have time to use them to make juice. Oh my god! Even some of my orange. Tomorrow I'm going to do orange juice because I have other things to do today. Tomorrow I will extract the orange that is there too. At least I have one bottle of juice, fresh one, fresh one. Okay. Wow. You can see. We extract one bottle. Wow. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. See you on our next video. Let me go and put this one in the fridge. I have to go and eat and do one or two things. Yeah.